Set up your WhatsApp business account with Playbot Pro. At Playbot Pro, we make linking your WhatsApp account simple and seamless using Facebook's embedded sign-up process. In this video, we'll guide you through every step. First, let's cover the requirements. Phone number requirements. Ensure the phone number belongs to your business. Make sure the number includes the country and area code. Short codes aren't supported. The number must be able to receive SMS or voice calls for verification. After setup, it can still be used for regular calls and texts. If the number is already linked to WhatsApp Messenger or Business, you'll need to delete that account first. For banned numbers, simply contact WhatsApp support to get them unbanned before proceeding. Business requirements. Your business needs a website or social media page that clearly states your company name. Start with 250 business-initiated conversations per day. Verifying your business unlocks higher messaging limits. Messaging limits can grow to 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and even unlimited conversations once verified. Payment requirements. Add a valid payment method in Meta. Visa and MasterCard are accepted. Digital payments and American Express are not. Tax information may be required during setup. Payments can be made in AUD, EUR, IDR, INR, GBP, and USD. These requirements are simple, and we'll guide you step by step to ensure everything is set up correctly. Let's get started with the Playbot Pro app. After signing in, you'll see a pop-up at the top of the screen guiding you to link your WhatsApp number. If you've closed the pop-up by mistake, don't worry. You can access it anytime from the main menu on the left. Simply select the WhatsApp option. On this screen, you'll see an option that says, Link your WhatsApp number, along with a Login with Facebook button. Click the Login with Facebook button to begin the process. After entering your Facebook credentials, click Continue. Facebook will then notify you that you're about to share WhatsApp business account access permissions with Playbot Pro. Once you review this, click Get Started to proceed. On the next screen, you'll need to enter your business details. Choose a business portfolio. At the top, you'll find a drop-down menu to either select your existing business portfolio or create a new one. While creating a new business portfolio, enter your business name exactly as it appears on your legal business documents. Provide the email address associated with your business or the one you are using for your business. Enter your website URL or a link to your social media page. Ensure the page clearly displays your business name and matches the name you provided. Select the country where your business operates. Here, I'm selecting an already created business portfolio that matches the official documents of the business. After accepting the terms of service by ticking the checkbox, click the Next button. On the following screen, you'll create your WhatsApp business profile. Here, you'll see two drop-down menus. Select the second drop-down to create your WhatsApp profile, and then click Next to proceed. Next, choose the business category that best matches your business from the drop-down list. Once you've selected the most relevant category, click Next to continue. Here, you'll see two options. Get a free WhatsApp number. This option allows you to send WhatsApp messages without requiring verification. However, note that you won't be able to receive phone calls or messages with this number. Add a new WhatsApp number. To use your own number, select this option and enter a number that meets the phone number requirements we discussed earlier. After entering your number, choose your preferred verification method, SMS or voice call, and then click Next to proceed. After receiving your verification code, enter the 6-digit code in the provided field to complete the verification process. On the next screen, review Playbot Pro's access request. Once you've confirmed the details, click Continue to proceed. Congratulations! You've successfully added your WhatsApp profile. On this screen, you'll see a summary of what you can start doing right away. To complete the setup, adding a payment method is mandatory to initiate conversations from the business side. Click the Add Payment Method button to proceed. This step will redirect you to Meta's official website, specifically to the billing and payment page for the selected business. Click the Add Payment Method button on this page. A pop-up will appear where you can select the country, currency, and time zone settings. Once selected, click Next to proceed. To add a payment method, a MasterCard or Visa card is required. On the next screen, enter your card details, such as name, card number, expiry date, and CVV. Then click Save to complete the process. Once you've saved your card details, they will appear on the payment page. The final step is to add your business or tax information. Click on Edit, enter your business details, and ensure the information you provide is valid and accurate. After completing all the fields, click Save to finalize the setup. Come back to app.playbot.pro and sign in again. If your payment method is not linked properly, navigate to the WhatsApp page, where you'll find a guide to link the payment method. Follow the steps provided in the guide to complete the setup. Let's create a WhatsApp template and send it to a WhatsApp number to test if our setup is working correctly. This will help ensure everything is properly configured and functioning as expected.